Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. As you can hear, it's going to be a little echo, but I just wanted to come on and to show you guys a quick update on what's been going on. As you can see, I'm in the master bedroom right now. It's early in the morning. I wanted to get in before the workers started. Right now we have drywall going on, and we have like the stonework out front, driveway, a few things going on all at once. So I just wanted to come in early. It's cold. So let me just give you a quick overview. So I'm standing in the master bedroom. That's the door. I'm just gonna pan up. And there we have the bathroom, and then also there's a walk-in closet. It's pretty dark, so I'm not gonna go in there. But yeah, let's go out. So where I'm standing now would be like our great room. And that it's going up to the ceiling, all the way down. Laundry room back there. And then this would be like a little nook area. And then over here, there's also like a dining nook, and you can see the front door. And then back here, these would be like my two older kids. One room right there. There's a closet, like a linen closet, the dark bathroom, and then there's another room back there. So yeah, I'm very excited with the progress. This is the kitchen area. This would be where I guess the island would go, and then the kitchen cabinets would be all along this back wall. Sorry if this is too shaky. All right, and then we're going, this would be like the powder room. And it's dark in here, no window. This is the powder room. And then it's also connected to another bedroom. I'll go in this one since it's pretty bright. But here it is. Other bedroom here. That's the closet for that one. All right, heading back out. So this area would probably be the dining room. I'll probably just put like a, table, probably like 6 chairs, some long ways, nice rug. I can't wait to decorate. This is the front. This is where they're doing like the stone work. Putting drywall in the garage. So this is the garage area. It's just a 2-car. And go back in here and I'll show you. They started the stonework outside, but sure they'll be done by the end of the week, and I can show like a whole view of it. But this is what it looks like so far. And it'll go here, the porch area. Those bricks are actually going to like outline the porch area. And then the stonework goes here as well. So Loving it so far. But like I said, that's the driveway. Just wanted to give you guys a quick overview, quick update. All right, and that is it. I think I want to paint this door black. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Black door, or should I leave it white? I don't know. I feel like I need something to pop. I'm not into colors because I feel like I might want to change it too soon. So, I don't know. What you guys think? Black door or just a fresh coat of white paint? Let me know. All right. I'll see you guys next time.